in. Hi friends, it is Tracy here. Welcome to my kitchen. This is Baking Made Easy with Tracy. Today we're not baking, today we're making truffles. A friend asked, please can we do some recipes for Christmas, some Christmas ideas? So this is a quick and easy one. You can serve it with coffee afterwards and super easy. As I said, no baking. We need 125 ml of softened butter, a cup of icing sugar, 100 ml cocoa, a packet of Marie biscuits that we are going to break down. You can either blend, which I've done, or you can break it with a rolling pin in a packet or stand on it. However you want to break up your Marie biscuits, that's how you do it. And over here we are going to need 125 ml of jam, though it can be quite sweet, so I've only put 100 ml, and 5 ml of vanilla essence, so coconut, to roll your balls in. Right, super quick and easy. Let's get started. I'm going to take my softened butter and pop it in my bowl together with my icing sugar. Put that in, and my cocoa. Gonna mix that all up quickly. Once you've mixed it all together, then we'll add the Marie biscuits, just the whole lot in, and we'll give that a quick stir up. To that, we're going to add the jam. Plop that in, and our 5 ml of vanilla essence. Throw that in, and then mix it all up again. And there we go. I've just done a few to get us started. Got a whole bowl to roll, and better to put it in the fridge and serve it a bit chilled. It is quite sweet, so if you want to lessen the jam or lessen the icing sugar, then do so. Enjoy it with your coffee. I loved having you. Like, share, subscribe, and look out for my next Christmassy video. Thanks for joining me. Bye now.